Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee and today I'm going to show you to make super soft parathas. So for that, first thing first, all-purpose flour or maida, little sugar. I'm adding little sugar to it and some salt to taste. In this dough, I'm going to add a lot of water, but not all together, little by little. Try and mix it up. So at this stage, it's looking very mushy, very soft, but wait and watch. I'm going to cover this dough up and let it rest for 20 minutes and then you come back and see what happens. After 20 minutes, let me see what happens. This dough is still sticky, so now what I'll do is I'll add some more flour and work platform like this. It is now slowly and steadily becoming pliable. At this stage, what I will do is I will add some oil. Now it's nice and soft and not sticking at all. So at this stage, I will again cover this up and rest for 10 more minutes. Let me see. Yeah. So it's absolutely nice and pliable to work with. So make small roundels from it. Just add a little oil to roll out. First, I'll add some oil. You can add ghee if you want. I'm just adding some oil onto the surface first. After this, dusting some maida on it. This will also create a little flakiness inside the parathas. Just lift it up and try and make layers. And then it's almost like a lachha paratha, but this is also the soft paratha which I am creating. So this is one. Put the induction on and roll out the parathas. Put one paratha in the pan and start with another one. So this is also rolled. I just add a little oil and fry. Also this side a little oil. Once the paratha is roasted from two sides well, I'll just take it out in a plate and start the second one. And my super soft parathas are done. If you like soft parathas like I do, this recipe is just for you. Let me show you something. Unbelievable. This paratha is so soft, it actually goes into your muthi.